Good afternoon, guys. Cleet Titus back with you. With United Youth Aviators. We expand kids' minds one takeoff at a time. Today we got our newest student, Youth Aviators. We're going to introduce to you guys, or he introduced to himself, and we're happy to have him on board. Good friend, former co-worker, nephew. So I'm going to let him do some talking.
Hi y'all, my name is Jamari. I'm from Brooklyn. I always have to rep Brooklyn. And today, because I always wanted to be a pilot, and that's it.
That's what's up, you know what I'm saying? We here today, we're going to make it happen. Alright, so we're going to catch you guys back on the taxi out. Peace.
Republic Ground Skyhawk November 2328 Romeo at Echo requesting taxi for touch and goes with the X-ray.
This is 2328 Romeo Republic Ground runway 14 taxi via Alpha.
Hey, 14 via Alpha.
14 via Alpha?
28 Romeo. 28 Romeo. Say 28 Romeo.
For 28 Romeo.
Alright, there you go.
Sound like a question.
Alright, one hand on here. Back to 1,000. Back to 1,000. Your feet is what's going to be controlling to keep on the rudders. Feet on the rudders. Your feet is what's going to be controlling. You see that center line?
Yeah.
You want to keep that center line in between your feet, okay? And you use your rudders to do it. Alright?
Oh.
Alright, left rudder. Left rudder. You guys coming off this. Not that hard. Not that hard. Alright, let's say what's up real quick. Alright. So we're gonna go out and make a left and follow that plane. So for you to do that, right? Bring this back to 1,000. Already got.
I can't see what number.
We already have our is 1,000, right? You already have our we already have our momentum. So turn rudder. Alright, good. Push that left rudder in. Yep. Alright, good. Alright, that's good. So we will come to the line and follow the line to the whole short. Remember that? Remember the whole short and all that stuff I was teaching you? He like, yeah, whatever, bro. Let's just get going. Alright, start slowly braking. Follow this line. Alright, so there goes the whole short line. We can't cross that line, remember? We gotta get ready to stop. Stop both feet. Alright, good. Now we need to switch around to tower. Hit that button.
What?
Up. Alright, good. So it went from to the lob side, 1800. So you're gonna say Republic Tower, holding short 14 Alpha 8.
Republic Tower 28 Romeo, holding short 1488 Alpha 8.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
Alright, wait till the finish talk.
709 Republic Tower, left correction.
Take your time, okay?
Left downwind runway 19.
Left downwind runway 19, 709.
After you say Republic Tower, say who you are and then where you are.
Okay.
Alright? So go ahead. You can do it now.
Republic Tower 28 Romeo, holding short at 14 Alpha 8.
November 04 Whiskey, turn base.
There you go. I just wait for him to respond back.
709, just want to verify you copied left downwind runway 14. And November 28 Romeo, runway 14, full length, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 232 at Romeo. Alright, feet on the ground.
709, left.
Yeah. Turn all the lights on. All the lights. All the lights. Say lights. Lights to me. Turn it on. Say lights.
Lights.
Camera. Action. Alright, you're going to keep your hand on here. Follow my instructions, okay?
Okay.
709, how you here, Tower?
No feet. I got the feet today. You get used to it.
Alright, thank you.
Thanks, bro. You take care of that.
709 Republic Tower.
He told us to line up. Wait.
709, stand by 1 second. November 28 Romeo, make right traffic, runway 14, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff to it, Romeo. Full power.
04 Whiskey, runway 14,
all the way in.
touch and go.
All the way in. Come on.
Clear touch and go, 1404 Whiskey. Number 7 Alpha Delta.
Hold it.
Hold it.
Yep, hold it. Alpha Delta.
Number 85 Uniform, I'll call your base.
You call it base. Alright.
Number 1.
Alright. Say airspeed alive.
Traffic in sight.
Airspeed alive.
Airspeed alive.
Airspeed alive.
Not to him, to me. To me. Talk to me. Hold it. Hold the flight yoke. Alright, pull back. Pull the flight yoke to you.
Number 709.
Alright, that's enough. 10 degrees. Hold the flight yoke. Hold the flight yoke. This is the flight yoke. This is the throttle, okay?
Alright.
Keep the power all the way in.
It was trying to contact tower unanswered. Say again, you were stepped on.
Alright, here we go. You like, what? Who, what? Oh, you see that plane on to the right?
Yeah.
See him already?
Wait, No, I don't.
You see him in the cloud?
Oh yeah, I do now.
Alright, so now we can turn, right? You gotta turn, right? Turn, good.
Number 3 Sierra Papa. Roger.
Yep, keep turning.
Air correction extend downwind and all clear base.
Yep, turn, alright. Alright, straighten it out. Alright, put the nose down, push it in, push this in, bring the power back to 2,000, pull it back to 2,000.
Oh, pull it back?
Yep, pull it back.
Pull it back.
Pull this back to 2,000 RPM, pull it back, good.
Cessna 04 Whiskey.
Keep pulling it back, pull it back more.
Wing in a right crosswind.
Pull it back.
Looking for traffic.
Alright, you're gonna say, when I tell you, you're gonna say 28 Romeo, right downwind, go ahead.
Wait, Romeo right downwind.
There you go.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
85 uniform.
2-8 Romeo right downwind.
You can't do it when he's talking to somebody else.
Oh, I didn't hear him.
Uniform, runway 14.
Right, because you're stepping on him.
Oh, yeah.
Number 28 Romeo, extend downwind, all clear base.
Say, you call the base. Say it to him, you call the base.
I call the base.
You call the base, you.
Romeo negative, I will call your base.
You call the base, say you call the base.
Call the base?
Yeah.
You call the base. 28 Romeo.
You call the base. He said, I'll call your base. He like, no,
Oh,
I'm...
because you're saying you up over here thinking.
Yeah, no, I'm telling you what to say, you.
Oh, I apologize.
Don't worry about it. No, don't worry about it. You brand new. Alright, so we'll give a shout out to Raymond and anybody.
And November 85 uniform.
I want to give a shout out to my uncle, and I also want to give a shout out to my mother and my father. I wouldn't be here without y'all. Thank you so much. Love y'all all.
That's love. We love you guys. Love it. Alright, keep it level. Keep your hand on there. You flying. Sorry. So you see the runway?
7 Alpha Delta, follow set.
Alright, flaps 2.
7 Alpha Delta.
Push the flaps down.
Runway 14 Alpha.
Alright, so you see the runway now, right? Straight in front of you. Straight out right in front of you. You don't see that runway up.
Yeah, I do.
Tower, runway 14, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 25 Delta.
Flaps, put the flaps all the way down.
All the way down?
Wait, there, the flaps. Got it. So look, they coming down, see that? For the plane break, right?
14 clear for takeoff, 150, 12.
For takeoff, 1
Alright, so we aiming for the 1-4.
09, runway 14 clear.
Alright, a little bit more power.
4 clear land.
Number 28 Romeo, runway 14 clear, touch and go.
Clear, touch and go to it, Romeo.
High power?
A little bit. Good, that's good. So we're gonna aim for the 1-4, right? So tell you when to bring this all the way back. Start bringing it all the way back now. Pull all the way back, slowly. I should have told you slowly. It's alright, you make me pull it back all the way, pull it back. Come on, pull it back.
All the way?
All the way. We landed, we need to power all the way off, right? Pull it down, alright? Flaps up.
Number 3 Sierra Papa, traffic for 1 o'clock in a mile base pipe.
What's up? Turn for takeoff. Turn for takeoff.
Turn for takeoff?
Yep, check down.
Follow, runway 14 clear, touch
Alright, full power.
14 clear, touch and go, 423 Sierra Papa.
Power?
Full power.
25 Delta contact departure.
Yes, say airspeed alive to me. Say airspeed alive.
Airspeed alive.
55, rotate, pull back. Pull the flight yoke. Alright, pull back 10 degrees, that's good. 10 degrees, full power. See that plane in front of us who just landed?
Yeah.
Alright, good. So we gotta go straight. Yeah, it wasn't that bad. Oh, good, look outside. See that plane over there? That plane is ahead of us, see him? When this plane go past us, our wing, turn right. Alright.
Looking for traffic.
Alright, turn right. Right, go ahead. Turn right. Up, bank right. Good, right there. That's good. Alright, nose down.
Turn base,
Nose
runway 14
down.
clear, touch and go.
Bring the power out to 2,000. Push the nose down. Out to 2, up. Power out to 2,000. Pull it back. Pull it back. Go ahead. Pull it back.
Thank you.
Good.
That's 7
Turn right.
call your base.
You call our base, 709.
Are you gonna say Republic Tower?
Number 28 Romeo, I'll call your base.
Oh, say you call the base. You call the base to it, Romeo. It's gonna be a full stop too.
Roger.
Alright, turn this level.
Cessna 527, traffic's on a
The
mile.
runway?
No delay, southeast through, runway 14 Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Alright, yeah, over there.
Cool.
Charlie.
Flaps 20, push that down to 20. Push it down just a little bit to go to 20. Gotta push it down. So the white is on the 20. Good. That's good. That's good. Alright, cool. Hand back on the power. Up. Hey, start pulling it back. Throw the power back. That's enough.
That's 7 Alpha Delta, traffic's 1 o'clock in a mile base Cessna.
Back more.
Traffic inside 7 Alpha Delta.
7 Alpha Delta, follow, runway 14 clear, touch and go.
There you go.
Clear, touch and go 14, 7 Alpha Delta.
Alright, slow it down.
Traffic's 1 o'clock.
Full flaps. Push it down. Good.
Viper 1 Mike Kilo, follow, runway 14 clear, touch and go.
Alright, that's good. Alright. Bring the power back. You can really see the runway, right?
Yeah.
Hey, come over a little bit.
on the right now, runway 14.
433 Sierra Papa.
Let's slow this down.
Base 433 Papa.
Alright, now add power. Power. Push it in. Oh. Alright. Okay. Push it in a little more. It's a nice little golf course. We aiming for the 1-4. Alright, slow down a little bit. Pull it back. Pull it back more. They pull it back more. That's good. Hey, cool, cool, cool. Hey, aim for the 1-4. Up, nope. Hey, bring the power back a little bit.
Oh,
Bring it back. Bring it back towards us a little bit. All right, good. Right there, right there. Like slowly bring the power all the way out.
That's 3 Sierra Papa.
All the way towards us. Keep going. Pull it, keep pulling. Keep pulling it back.
We're looking for that test. Oh, I got the test.
Keep pulling it back.
3 Sierra Papa, follow.
Pull it all the way out. Pull it back. Pull it. All right, pull all the way back.
We're 2 Romeo, stay parking.
Now go.
2 Romeo, right turn, ground point 6, runway's approved.
All right, thank you. All right, taxi. Alright, slow it down. Alright, we're coming here. Let's turn here. Am I going back with you, ground? I mean, tower?
Ground point 6.
Alright, 6. What?
What?
Yep. Harder, harder. So you want to say your goodbyes? We had a good day today. We appreciate you guys flying with us. I will let my boy Maury say some closing words, but give us a like and a subscribe. It means so much to us.
Yes, please.
God, thank you.
Give us a like and subscribe, please.
That's right. Even my man Jamori's telling you.
Most definitely.
All right, peace out, y'all.